in 1940. The reason that it was made is that it's a radioactive element and it decays away with a half-life that depends on which particular isotope it is. If plutonium was created at some time during the formation of the solar system, it has all decayed away long before scientists ever started looking for it on Earth.
I have seen a lump of plutonium once. I don't think I could tell you where I actually saw it, but it does just look like a shiny piece of metal. What we'll see today is plutonium in solution. And that's really interesting because plutonium's got some really intense colours, and the colours change depending on the oxidation state of the plutonium as well. It's incredibly dense as a metal. You could take to it with a hacksaw and the hacksaw blade would break before you chipped any plutonium off. The sheer density is shown by the fact that a golf ball sized lump of plutonium would be over 1 kilogram easily, really quite heavy stuff.
So here the intention is to recover the plutonium from spent nuclear fuel. Plutonium is present in about 1%. What we do is use solvent extraction in order to remove the plutonium from the fission products in the aqueous phase and move the plutonium up into a solvent phase. And that solvent phase is a mixture of tributyl phosphate and a diluent called odorless kerosene. Here we have some plutonium nitrate, and this plutonium is in oxidation state 4, and that's the oxidation state that's extracted into tributyl phosphate. I've got two separate solutions here. They're both plutonium nitrate, they're just at different concentrations.
It is dangerous for several different reasons. It is dangerous because it is the basis of atomic bombs. The second atomic bomb, so-called Fat Man, that was dropped on Nagasaki in 1945, contained plutonium, and it was the plutonium that made it explode. It was a bigger bomb in terms of the size of explosion than the first bomb that was dropped on Hiroshima. But it's also dangerous, plutonium, because it is very poisonous. Many heavy metals are poisonous, particularly, say, thallium. But plutonium is poisonous not just because of its chemistry, but because